Hey everyone, Jason from Iron Fence Shop with a quick answer to a common question we get all the time. Today's question is iron fence or aluminum fence better? The problem with this question is that it's missing a very important qualifier. The correct question to ask would be, is iron fence or aluminum fence better for my project? One fence material is not superior to the other with no questions asked. It really comes down to where the fence is going and what its purpose is. Aluminum fence might be great for one project and terrible for another. Same for iron. Something most folks don't realize is that iron and aluminum fence are as different as cats and dogs. Literally nothing is alike between them. Construction, appearance, strength, cost, hardware, and installation can all differ between the two. This really becomes a larger project discussion that we prefer to have one-on-one with you, but let's hit some high points on where each fence is best used. Starting with aluminum fence, here's where it often works best. 1. Strength is not a big concern. The fence is decorative and in a quiet yard with no active kids or crazy pets. 2. The fence is going next to salt water, especially if you're right on the water or right on the beach. The inability of aluminum to rust makes it a better choice when you're right on the beach and taking that salt spray or getting that salt air all over your fence on a day-to-day basis. 3. You're trying to keep costs as low as possible. Aluminum will cost less than iron in most instances. However, that lower price comes at the cost of a lighter duty and easier to damage fence that may not be your best choice for all projects. Switching gears to iron fence, here's where it often works best. 1. Strength and bend resiliency is important to the project. Public areas, commercial sites, and even yards with active kids and dogs are better served by the stronger iron fence that is less likely to bend and bow. 2. You want more style options. You can do more with iron in both stocked and custom options. Iron often has more style, design, and custom options than comparable aluminum fence does. If you look around the website, you'll see more fence and gate options in iron than you will in the aluminum. 3. You want an authentic look and feel. If your project is for a historic home, preservation society, or you just like the look and feel of an old world fence more, iron looks the part better. Aluminum can look nice, but it tends to feel and look flimsier than folks expect, and a lot more of the grit and surface of the iron kind of has more of that look and feel people are expecting. So remember as you choose your fence, it's not about whether iron fence or aluminum fence is better, it's about which one is better for your project and application. Now, if we can help with any other questions in regards to iron versus aluminum fence, give us a call at 800-261-2729 or shoot us an email at sales@ironfenceshop.com. We look forward to helping you with your project.